Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here you are seeing Samsung Galaxy A16 smartphone. In this video, we are going to see the unboxing of flip cover for this Samsung Galaxy A16 smartphone. Okay, we have purchased a flip cover online at Amazon website. Okay, uh, it costs around 350 rupees in Indian rupees. It is around 350. Okay, now we will see how it looks like. Okay, just I am unboxing it and see. Yeah, we can uncover it and we can take it out and see. This is the flip cover, and now we can attach this cover to the mobile. Okay, so in this way you can attach. Yes, I have attached, and see the power button and volume buttons and see how it looks. Okay, wow, very nice. If you cover your phone like this, your phone will be protected in some way, like damaging, severe damaging. Okay, severe damaging will not be done easily. Okay, also camera side, you can keep this camera side very clean, and also from scratches you can protect. Okay, so it around 350, and its quality also worth. Okay, if you would like to purchase this flip cover, uh, you can check our description, and also check other flip cover from Amazon as well as Flipkart. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.